What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We have the WeLov H-500 Humidifier, okay? This bad boy has the boost mist technology. It has the biggest mist volume of all and the highest mist height at 40 inches. It never wets your table, floor, or carpets. It's got a huge tank, all right? It's got the longest running time. No need to refill it frequently. It's got a 26 dB low noise level. What that means is this thing is super quiet, great for kids, all right? It's got a nano waterproof circuit, safe using and long service life on that circuit, okay? It also can improve skin quality. That's a big feature for a humidifier. It can reduce dust and pollen in the air, relieve allergy symptoms such as hay fever. It can alleviate skin diseases like eczema, okay? It can even relieve respiratory problems such as dry and itchy throat. If you have plants and you're a plant lover, it can provide a very high humidity environment suitable for plant growth. Definitely something to have if you have dry heat, okay? We're going to do the unboxing now. Let's take a look. All right, so we take it out of the box and boom, look at that unit. That is beautiful. I mean, I love the way that looks. It's a gray finish. It's got the white lettering for WeLov, and it's got a black base. Okay, just do a quick little measurement here. We are about 16 inches tall, and we are almost 10 inches wide. The best part about this, I think, is how slim this unit is. So if we measure across, it's maybe 5 inches across, all right? Let me just put it back into place. Excuse me for the mess. This unit here, this is the top tank, all right? This is the handle. This is the chute where the moisture comes out, so you can actually turn it and put it in any direction you like. All right, the way you fill this unit up, you're going to grab your handle. Okay, it comes out of the base. You can see there is water. I did fill it, but you would bring the tank empty to the sink. You would unscrew this cap here. All right, you'd fill up your water. If you have hard water, they recommend you put an additive in there to kind of take the elements out. You want the unit to last, okay? It's got a rubber gasket there, that white one, and that's what it comes with extra in that bag. Comes with a couple of cleaning brushes. Fill your water up. You're going to tighten this down. You're going to tighten it till it locks in place because you don't want the water to leak. Let me just do this here. All right, so it's locked in place. And because it could be a little heavy for some people, the great thing about this is it has a handle on top. You just turn it around. The handle is right here. You just put your hand in, grab it, bring it, back to your unit. You're going to lower it right into place. You're going to hear a little gargling. That's the water filling up that bottom reservoir. Obviously, you're going to plug in the power. Power is located in the back here. Simple plug. You plug into a little hole. Okay, spin the unit around. I can't get over the look of it. It's beautiful. You have the on and off switch. You're just going to push it in. It's a button. Okay, you have your output coming out, and this dial here, if you move it to the left, you'll decrease the outflow, and if you move it to the right here, going this way, you can see it increases. It also has what's called boost moist technology. This upper button, if you push it, I'm going to push it here and you'll see the difference in flow. Now look at that. Are you kidding me? Put your hand in front of there. Look at that. I mean, that's great. It's so quiet too. It has that technology where the engine, the motor inside is just super quiet. Again, you would turn it off if you don't need that extra boost. All right. It has a timer here. And if you look, there are numbers, okay? 1, 2, 4, and 8. If you'd like to keep this on for an hour and have it turn off by itself, you'll push it. and you'll have the 1 hour. Push it again, 2, 4, 8, and then again it would be off. Up here, which I think is another cool feature of this guy, is a built-in night light. All right, if you have this unit in your children's room because they have a sore throat, dry throat, cough, itchy skin, and so forth, it has a built-in night light. You'll push this, and look at that. The base of this thing lights up. That's great. And also you have a snooze button here. Okay? Very basic and simple to use. I like the way it looks. It's a great looking unit. Very quiet, very quiet. It's the ultrasonic cool mist humidifier by WeLov. It's an H-500. It's got the boost mist technology right here. If you push it, look at that. I mean, super boost. Turn it off. It's got a whisper quiet motor. Okay, you can't even hear it. And it's got extra large capacity, a little over a gallon, 1.6, I believe, gallons of water. This thing will last a very long time without changing that water. I'll tell you, just having it in here in the office is great. Again, it's the WeLov. I hope you enjoyed the video. This, I believe, will be the first WeLov YouTube review video on YouTube. Okay? I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please comment below. All right? As soon as I get a link, I will add the link to my description, and you can order one of these units. Okay? It'll give you the pricing information and all. Again, I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and you have yourself a nice day. Hey, Sonny, where are you, pal? Sonny, are you there?
I might grab a bat, I don't know, my wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you